Hi guys, I'm Stefan Andresuelo Anlacotan. I am your premier international property specialist under Jayhawks of Team of Sir Alvin. I am phenomenal and I'm here with my gorgeous partner, Miss.
I'm Kizzy Aureliosa. I'm a premier international property specialist. So I've been here with RLT for the past 7 years now. And we are really so happy to see all of you guys who took your time to just be here with us tonight for our property preview. So thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. Ako pala, 3 years po, po 4 years. Sinabi kasi na 7 years, dapat idagdag ko yung akin. Okay, we can start now. Alright. So, ang product or endorser or ambassador namin, Miss Heart Evangelista. As you all know, she is a famous actress. Kasama ko siya sa Luna Mystica. At syempre, she is the wife of Senator. So, hindi po siya mag-endorse ng Mira at ng RLC or Robinsons kung hindi po to reputable company. Partner?
And it's nice because she's not only our brand ambassador, but she also has a unit with us, with RLC Residences. So she has multiple properties under RLC Residences. Alright. So yan, kung sino yung mga gustong maging neighbor si Heart, later we talk about it.
Ayan, more photos of Heart. Next, please. Ayan. So this is all Mira billboards po at mga, of course, promo photos namin. Next po. Ayan, ako na. Sige. So, ang company namin is JG Summit. Noong si John Gokongwei pa ang founder namin. At syempre siya pa yung namamahala dati. Pero ngayon po ay si Lance Gokongwei na ang aming CEO. So, nag-rebrand po kaming Gokongwei Group. Partner?
Yes, so we are part of the Gokongwei Group, one of the largest conglomerates in the Philippines. So rest assured that you're really investing in a really big and trusted developer in the Philippines.
Ayan, next slide. So, syempre, conglomerate means, of course, group of companies in one corporation. Ang dami po naming subsidiaries and, of course, shareholdings katulad ng, of course, RLC Residences, Cebu Pacific, we have our own bank, in-house bank, Robinsons Bank, petrochemicals, at kung nakikita nyo po ito sa Seafood City, ito po yung Chippy, Jack and Jill, Max, Great Taste Coffee. So makikita nyo po ng company po is very stable. Partner?
Yes, so we have business interests not only in real estate, but we also have banking, Robinsons Bank, we also have Universal Urbina, we have also petrochemicals, JG Summit, Alvins Corporation. So aside from that, we also have hotels and resorts.
Yes.
Westin Hotels, Dusetani, Crown Plaza, and Holiday Inn, Abensan, Uncle John.
PLDT. Of course, Robinsons Malls. We have malls nationwide from Luzon to Mindanao po yan. At syempre, may Meralco kami, Summit Media, and Sun Cellular. Next. Alright, let's go to our project. Mira, palapakan muna natin ang Mira.
So welcome to Mira.
Of course.
This is our pre-selling project right now. So we just launched the first tower last year, and now we just
sold
launched.
Out.
Yes,
yeah.
It was sold out already. That's why we launched the tower 2. So you really know how hot our buyers are buying properties back home, and at the same time, they really know that this project is a nice project to invest.
Yes.
Whether it be family or for investment, this is the perfect, one of the best projects to buy right now in the Philippines.
Alright. So, Mira means admirable. Yung titignan mo talaga siya. Kita nyo may crown siya. Tapos, Mira means sunflower. Mag-take down notes kayo ha. May quiz tayo later. May raffle po, raffle prizes. At syempre, ibig din po sabihin po niya is ruler. So, next slide po. Alright, so pag nag-invest po kayo, importante po talaga ang location. Sabi po ng ating, of course, ex-president. Pwede po maging president ulit, si Mr. Trump. Location, kasi naging real estate din po siyang agent. So ang ating location po is in Cubao, the gateway of the North. Pag pupunta ka ng probinsya, Pampanga, doon sa may Bataan, sa may Bulacan, sa may Baguio, dadaan ka ng Cubao. Pag pupunta ka dito sa may, of course, Green Hills, Ortigas, dito sa may, of course, Marikina, BGC, Makati, dadaan ka pa rin ng Cubao. So Cubao is the center. Ang tawag nila dyan is the gateway of the North. Ayan. Sige.
That's what you said. Location is really important. It's one of the factors that will determine the price appreciation of your properties later on. So this one It's easily accessible to major transportation hubs in the Philippines. So LRT, MRT stations, subways. So this is also nearby the Grand Terminal Station sa Quezon City. And what's nice about it is this is also really near, I don't know if you're familiar, but this is near the Araneta Coliseum.
Yes! Kung saan ang mga malls, katulad ng Shopwise, doon ako nakatira, sa Pitwasan. So, nandun ang Alimall, yung ating farmers, Gateway 1, may Gateway 2 na, at syempre SM Cubao and Alimall. Ayan.
So it's really, really perfect.
Alright, next slide. Alright, kung himayin natin, nasa mismong Mirasol po siya, at 20th Avenue. At syempre nandun po Aurora Boulevard kung saan po ang ating LRT. So very convenient po ito, malapit po sa main road at madali po kayo makapunta sa kung saan destination nyo po gusto puntahan sa May Manila. Next. Amenities.
So this is really, really also one of the things that I consider when it comes to investing in a property. Because amenities, with RLC, it's really nice because they really offer how many amenities ba for this one, for Mira Residences. There's a lot of amenities that you can enjoy, not only pool, not only gym, but there's a lot. So,
alright, himayin natin.
Yes.
Pag English po siya ha, foreigners, you can rely on her with the English. I'm lacking in that department. So any Tagalog, I'm here for you. So we have two, of course, premier property specialists. Our site development plan is we have 4 towers. And of course, sa fifth floor po natin, meron po tayong amenity. At syempre lahat po ng towers natin, meron pong sky garden and sky deck na pwede po kayo mag-chill, magpahinga, at syempre, mag-view po ng Metro Manila skyline in the afternoon. Next. Alright.
So this is a drop-off area, as you notice. Sobrang ganda kasi you don't just drop off sa main highway. There's really a private drop-off area for Mira.
Para na siyang hotel. Next.
Right? And this is the lobby. So what's nice about RLC again, most of our properties, lobby pa lang, para ka nang nasa hotel. It's really hotel vibes, high ceiling.
Yes.
And at the same time, for this project, meron tayong lounge.
Ay, hindi. Ang design muna niya, importante to, yung design po ng aming, of course, Mira is Nordic. Ito po yung mga design sa Sweden, of course sa Europe. So tandaan niyo po yung Nordic po ha, yung po yung design ng aming condominium. Alright. So next slide.
So this is the lounge. As you enter the property, this is what you will see, the lounge. And aside from that, we also have what we call the Moon Lounge. So ito naman, the Moon Lounge is actually more private. So if you have guests and you don't feel like bringing them over to your unit, they can just chill, you can talk to them, you can have meetings. Like sa mismo Moon Lounge. So this is how it looks like.
So ito po yung Moon Lounge namin. Tandaan niyo po yung Moon Lounge.
Tandaan niyo po yan para sa ano later.
Alright, next slide please. Moon Lounge. Alright, the Moon Lounge is this one. So this is more intimate. If you have family members coming, visiting, you can entertain them here. Kung ayaw nyo po sa pinaka-unit nyo kaagad. Next slide. Meron tayong mga Wi-Fi lounge at syempre Wi-Fi room. Pwede kayo mag-Zoom. Of course, mag-meeting po sa mga katrabaho nyo po.
So this is what we call the residence lounge. Parang this is like an extension of your unit. Again, if you wanna have if you have gatherings, intimate gatherings with your family or friends, again, you can bring them over here.
Right. Next. Alright, we have 4 elevators. Isa pong service elevator. Ano ba yun? Para po yun sa mga gamit. Sir, for the English, it's for the furnitures and the appliances that will be in a service elevator. O, di ba? Nawala ako doon, guys. And for the 3 passengers elevator, passengers means human being. Okay? Alright. Next. Alright.
So this is the artist perspective of our amenity area. So as you can see, it feels like you're in a resort. So there's a lot of open spaces for Mira. It has a lap pool, kiddie pool,
Leisure pool.
leisure pool.
Correct.
So ang dami nating pool dyan.
Ano? Sige, next.
Yeah.
Alright, this is the leisure pool.
And a
Next.
gazebo.
Yeah. So we have here the outdoor play area. So we have here the exercise area. If you want to do your, what do you call this, planking, your push-ups, like that. or warm up in the afternoon. And we have here the pet park. Next slide.
So this is a pet-friendly project.
Correct. Ayan, next slide. Ayan, yung pet park natin. Pwede po magkaaso dito. Ayan, next. Alright.
This is the glamping nook. This is also really unique because you don't really see this from other developers. Or
I think this is the first one.
Yes. So, it's nice because you don't really need to go out anymore. Nasa unit nila, nasa tower nila lahat ng kailangan nyo.
Yeah.
Everything is just within your reach.
Pwede kayo dito mag-fellowship, mag-gathering in the afternoon, eat your snack like picnic, mga ganyan. Sige, next. Alright.
This is the gym. See, so nice. Hindi
Very
na kailangan
nice.
lumabas.
Hindi na kailangan mag-membership sa
Yes.
Anytime Fitness.
Yeah.
Alright, next. Alright. So this is our multi-purpose court. So what does that mean? Ibig sabihin po nun, magtagalog na po. Napapanya na ako. Ang ibig sabihin po ng multi-purpose court, pwede po mag-badminton, mag-volleyball, pwede po dito mag-basketball. So ang tawag po dito is playground. Ano po yun? Tandaan niyo po yun, ha?
The playground.
Oo, yung mga sinabi ko kanina. So, ito po yung pinaka-indoor amenity natin. So, anong meron dito? Next. Alright.
So we have the jogging trail. Imagine, you can jog from the comfort of your, building. If
Right.
it's gonna rain, you don't need to go out. Actually, dito na.
Yes.
You can do your workout mismong sa building na.
Bago ka mag-basketball or mag-workout, mag-warm up ka muna. Anong meron dito sa mga doors dyan? Sige, next. Alright.
So this is a dance studio. Again, this is really unique kasi nga, hindi nyo siya usually nakikita sa ibang developers. What you usually see is the pool, the gym, but for RLC, sobrang generous talaga magbigay ni RLC ng mga amenities.
Ayan.
Kaya yun yung gustong-gusto ko with our
Alright.
project.
Next. So we also have here the Pilates room, stretching room, at syempre next. Ayan, mga function rooms natin. Pwede ka dito mag-help ng Christmas party, corporate events, dibo po ng anak ninyo, birthdays. Ayan, may mga minimal payments lang naman po to. Pero po, mas mahal po pag nag-rent po kayo sa mga venues po sa labas. So why not dito na lang po sa mismong condominium ninyo. Mag-help ng mga events at mga parties po ng inyong family. Ayan, next.
So this is the kids play area. So if may mga kids, may mga pamangkin kayo na pupunta sa unit nyo, you can just bring them over here.
Next.
We also have a learning skate.
Yeah. Next. Alright. So, na-entice ba kayo sa amenities? Are you enticed with our amenities? Yes, it's called hyper-size amenity. So what is it called?
Hyper-size.
So what is, let me do my English. So, if you really hear me earlier, what did I say the name of the basketball area and the amenity area, the indoor basketball court? They're all listening.
They're all
Good.
listening.
They're all listening. Alright. Next, binubuhay ko lang po kayo. Oh, sige po, next. Sister?
So what's nice again with RLC is we only offer low density. What does it mean to have a low density units? Meaning we don't really have a lot of units per floor. So konti-konti lang kami per floor. That's why also sobrang laki ng mga sizes ng units namin. So you can compare the size of our studio to a one-bedroom unit sa other developers. Kaya talagang mas malaki siya, mas more generous yung space.
Alright. For the higher floors, sige, next slide, sir. Ayan. So sa higher floors natin, as you can see, wala na pong studio. Puro na po malalaking cuts dito. Next po, imayin ko na pong studio. Okay. So ang studio namin is 26.50 square meters. So pagpasok nyo po, ito po yung ating area ng kitchen area. Ito po yung induction. Ito po yung ating, of course, yung sink. Provision for the refrigerator, of course, yung dining, yung provision for the bed, we have an aircon provision here, and we have a washing and drying provision, and of course, your toilet and bath. So this is overall 26.50 square meters. Mas malaki po ito sa ibang studio unit ng ibang developers. Next.
So that's the bedroom. So for our 2-bedroom unit, we have a decent size kasi it's 53 square meter. So for this one, we have a pantry cabinet already. We have glass shower enclosure. So these are our deliverables. And what's nice about our units is it's already smart home feature. Meaning, yung mga lock ng doors nyo, it's already smart lock. You can access it via fingerprint, via code, or via your phone.
Yes.
So, ganun na siya, yung mga units natin ngayon sa Philippines.
Alright, next. So this is the photos of our 2-bedroom without balcony. Next. Okay, that's the low zone provision. Next. That's the bedroom. Next. Alright, ito po yung bago namin. So pwede po itong lalagyan ng detergent, fabricon, at dito po tayo magsasampay kung may mga basapat kasi nandito po sa baba yung washing and drying. Alright, next. Alright, sister?
So, for the 1-bedroom with balcony, it's 36 square meters po. So, if you compare it to other developers, mas decent size yung size ng 1-bedroom namin. So, it's the same thing. For the next slide. So, this is how it looks like. Maganda siya. This is perfect for young professionals or even starting family. So, yan. If you want to invest with a 1-bedroom unit, you can talk to your property specialist later. So, for the 2-bedroom,
Next. Next. Alright. For the 2-bedroom unit, this is overall, of course, 72 plus the balcony. Siguro po mga 79? 78? 78 square meters. So pagpasok nyo po, ito po yung area ng ating kitchen. Meron pa tayo utility room. Of course, yung dining and living. Access po sa inyong balcony. Ito po yung ating aircon provision. Yung ating guest room, may access po dun sa ating service toilet and bath for everybody to use. At syempre, for your guests, kung gusto nyo po siyang iparent. At syempre, dito po sa ating masters, meron po tayong sarili nating toilet and bath. May mga closet na po ito, smart home device feature at mga work from home provisions. Next.
Yung maganda dyan is it actually has a utility area. So yung utility area, you can actually convert it as another bedroom. So utility area means quarter. So parang magiging 3-bedroom siya. Kasi there's another, washer and dryer sa mismong utility room. So ganun siya. It's really, really nice.
Yeah. Okay, next. Okay, that's the living room, dining. Next. Next.
So yan na yun. Sobrang ganda. So this is again perfect
Next.
for mga families na who really wants to either have an investment
Ayan.
or
Thank you.
end use.
Ayan.
Thank you so much.
Outro message. Yeah. So everybody wants to